Hello everyone and welcome to Miscellaneous Monday. Wait a second, it's not Monday, it's Wednesday. What's going on? So if you didn't notice already, I did not post a video this Monday simply because I did not have time. Lots of things were happening on my teaching end and I had to focus just on that, so no video on Monday. And it turns out that the footage I took for what I was gonna post today on Wednesday I didn't like very much. So I'm just going to throw that out and I'm going to show you guys what I was going to post on Monday, which is a perfect topic for Wondering Wednesday because it's hopefully going to give you guys something to learn and think about. So today we're going to be sort of exploring the inside of a computer. So for those of you that didn't know, back in August, I built my first computer, which is the computer that I edit and record and do all of my school stuff on. And it was a really, really cool experience. So the footage that I'm going to be showing you in a couple minutes is not actually my computer. I didn't actually film myself building that computer, sadly. I wish I did. But it's actually the computer that you see behind me that's sort of glowing over there. So that is my boyfriend's computer. You're going to hear him talking and sort of see him working with his computer within this video. But he took his computer from his old case and put it into a new one. So I went ahead and filmed us sort of taking the pieces out and putting it into his new case. So we're not teaching you how to build a computer. That is not what this video is. This is just sort of a video telling you the different pieces and parts and taking you basically on a journey inside of a computer. So if you're watching this to learn how to build a computer, no, you're not learning how to build a computer here. There are way better videos for that. So definitely check out those videos. And not this one. This one's just sort of exploring the inside of a computer by two people that have built computers that are not experts, that just did the best they could with what they had. So we're going to take a look at how to sort of the pieces of a computer, how it gets put together, the different pieces, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at that footage. So what you see here is an empty computer case. So this is the outside of the computer. This is usually what everybody sees. And we're going to be putting all of the computer components inside this case. This is the back side of the computer case. So this is all these wires and connectors that will eventually be plugged into the motherboard, which is what this next thing is. So the motherboard is a really important piece because that's sort of where all the bits and bobs go that make your computer work.
So this is the motherboard. Underneath here is the CPU. Over here are the 2 sticks of RAM. And this is the heat sink with CPU cooler. We're going to line it up with these standoff screws. This is the graphics card. We're going to line up this here with this PCI slot here and line these up with these. This here is a switch. Right there is closed, right there is open. This is the power supply. It's what draws power from the wall to power your computer components. So this is my 2.5-inch solid-state drive. I have removed this bracket to give me more room. This just slides down in, and now I'm screwing in the sides. So for this solid-state drive, this cable here is connected to the power supply to draw power. This cable here is the SATA cable, which is connected to the motherboard to communicate with the rest of the computer.
Okay guys, so that was our trip inside of a computer. I hope you liked that. To finish off this video, I'm going to show you a little blooper because when I watched it I thought it was funny. This is why Ms.Murray doesn't make videos on how to build computers. You'll see in the clip. So I'm going to finish this video off with that clip. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Tips and Tricks Thursday. I believe we are going to be talking about how to answer a writing prompt. And that's that. So I'll see you then. Bye. This is the power supply. It goes in right here. Maybe. It doesn't fit.